Hey everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing about reversing a string. Again, as we have already discussed about it, but it was using inbuilt methods like reversed and slicing. Sometimes your interviewer may want you to write an algorithm instead of using inbuilt methods. In that case, you can follow this code implementation. Let's go ahead and start. I'll simply create a function here, def reverse string, and it will accept a text here. Let's go ahead and start with the result variable, which will be empty string. Basically, we'll start with a for loop for I in range will start from the end through the starting. For the end, you can get the length of the text, and you can do -1 because indexing start from 0, right? And you can do -1, again -1. Why -1 here? Because this is exclusive. It will start from here, it will end till 0, and we are doing -1 steps. So for each steps, we'll append the values in result variable. Plus equals to text at index I. For each index, it will take this value, append here. Again, it will take next value, append in the result. In this way, once the loop is over, you can simply return the value which is result. Right? Let's create result variable and call the method which is reverse string and pass the text that we have to reverse. Then print the result. Let me clear this one and run the script. You can see the string has been reversed. And that's a wrap for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.